Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can insert table in Canva design. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my Canva application and I'm going to create new design. I'm going to click on the plus icon and then I'm going to select the ratio. For instance, I'm just going to select desktop wallpaper. Okay, and here I'm going to show you how you can insert table in your Canva design. As you can see that my design is still empty and I'm going to add table to this design. So if you want to add table, we just need to go to the elements and then we're going to search for the table. Just type in table. You don't need to create the table manually. You just need to go to the Canva elements and type in table. And there will be a lot of tables you can add to your design. I'm just going to click on see all. And then you can choose the table that you like. For instance, I'm going to go with this one. Okay, just tap on the table and here you'll be able to zoom in and zoom out. I'm just going to zoom in like this and I'm going to place the table right here. Okay, and if you don't like the color, you can change it. You just need to select the table and then change the color. I'm going to change the color of the first row. Right guys, I'm just going to change it to purple. Okay, now the color has been changed. Okay, then you can customize the table as you like guys. You can start to add like tags to your table. If you want to add tags, you can go to the text. Oops, sorry. You can go to the text and then I'm just going to select this one, body text, and I'm going to type in name. Oops, sorry. Okay, and we can place the text right here, just like this. Okay guys, and that's all the way to insert table in Canva design. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to the channel. Bye.